back. Today it's Tuesday, 12th May 2020. Our topic is environmental issues. We are going to practice reading. The learning results, we are going to enrich vocabulary related to different problems, environmental problems, developing fluency and accuracy, and enriching vocabulary. Last lesson we talked about endangered species and practice exercises. Let's hope that you have done well. 1E, 2B, 3C, 4G, 5A. These were the correct answers. Check. We are going to talk about environmental issues. Çështjet e mjedisit. Let's pass to exercise 1. Vocabulary. Smoke. A mixture of smoke and fog caused by exhaust fumes and factory gases. Acid rain. Rain containing acids which are harmful especially to trees and forests. Oil spill. An amount of oil on the surface of a body of water which comes from tankers. Toxic waste, mbeti toxica. Materials containing chemicals which are no longer used and are dumped into rivers, lakes and seas. Fossil fuels. Substances such as coal and oil that were formed over millions of years from the remains of animals and plants and are burned for energy. Alternative energy. C. Power that is produced using the energy from the sun, wind, water. Let's look for vocabulary. Absorb. Use some paper, it will absorb all the water on the floor. To take something in.
Acid rain.
Acid rain. Rain that has harmful chemicals in it as a result of pollution in the environment. Acre. A unit which is used to measure the size of land. In the 5 acres of land around the school, the children planted trees and flowers.
Alternative energy.
Alternative energy, the energy that comes from the sun, wind, not from gas, oil, fuel.
Balance.
There is a balance between his work and studies. Balance means harmony between two or more things. Blow away.
Blow away.
For the wind to take away. The wind blew away Tommy's balloon and he started crying. Break out. Phrases. To start suddenly and unexpectedly. For example, fire, war, etc.
The fire in the building broke out early in the morning. Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, the gas formed when humans or animals breathe out. Cars and factories
produce carbon dioxide.
Chemical. There are many chemicals that pollute the environment. Chemical means a type of substance. Clear. To make something clean of something, to remove something from a place. Coal. Trains in the past used coal for energy. Dry. Without water. Definition. The river in the village is now dry. These were the key words. Let's discuss the following questions. Why do people cut down trees? How serious is the problem of forest fires? What do forests offer? What happens when forests are destroyed? Let's discuss together when we are in Zoom or in WhatsApp. I'm waiting for your answers.
Unit 8.
Let's
3.
listen, exercise.
Environmental issues. Read. B.
Save the trees. Our environment must be protected. Our planet is not as green as it used to be. Forests are disappearing. Frequently asked questions. KB from Leeds is asking why people cut down trees. To clear land for building cities and motorways. To provide land for farming. To make paper, furniture and building materials. AF from Colchester wants to know if the problem of forest fires is a serious one. Every year, millions of acres of forest land are destroyed in forest fires which break out all over the world. In the USA alone, about 100,000 forest fires break out per year on average. Most forest fires are caused by man. However, only a small part of this land is replanted. JK from Poole wants to know what forests offer. Habitat. Trees are important to wildlife. Forests are home to millions of species of mammals, birds, insects and plants. Oxygen and cleaner air. Trees make the air we breathe cleaner and fresher. They produce oxygen, O2, and absorb carbon dioxide, CO2, smoke, dust and ozone which pollute the air. Trees also produce water, and this helps protect the earth from too much heat. Fertile land. Trees keep the land fertile. Where there are trees, the soil can't be blown away by the wind or washed away by rain. Trees help the soil absorb large amounts of water, and in this way floods are prevented. PL from Cardiff is asking what happens when forests are destroyed. The ecological balance that exists in nature is broken. Animals that depend on trees or on other plants for food leave or die because their natural habitat is destroyed. In this way, lots of species of plants and animals are in danger and may disappear forever. The air isn't as cool or as clean as it used to be. The amount of harmful gases in the atmosphere increases. Carbon dioxide, which cannot be absorbed by trees any longer, causes the Earth's temperature to rise. This is called global warming. A piece of land without trees slowly becomes a desert. Rainwater cannot be absorbed by the soil, so it returns to the oceans and seas. As a result, the land becomes hard and dry, and nothing can grow on it. The forests that are left on our planet must be protected, or else we will have to face the consequences. New forests should also be planted before it's too late. Action must be taken now.
Read the text again and answer the questions. Choose A, B, C, or D. Which of the following is not a reason why people cut down trees? For building project, for preventing fires, for clearing space, for farming, for making various products, for preventing fires. The others you are going to do at home. I'm going to help you a little bit.